We're here today to demonstrate the difference between the use of conventional film versus pre-stretch film. A roll of conventional film generally weighs close to 8 pounds. A roll of pre-stretch film weighs between 2.5 to 3.5 pounds depending on the size of the film. The other benefit of pre-stretch film is that should you drop it on the ground, you can't damage it. You can't destroy the edges. You can hit it against the pallet. However, with conventional film, you'll find that if it is dropped or damaged, it no longer is a usable roll of film. Consequently, many times you'll run into situations where there'll be a bin in a warehouse full of partially used rolls. That's never the case when switching to pre-stretch. So first we're going to apply the conventional film in the manner in which it's normally applied, which is to walk backwards, giving you the benefit of stretching the film as much as possible since it's not stretched prior to be putting on a core. So we'll walk around the pallet, stretch the film, and as you can see, it's dangerous walking backwards, and at the same time it's necessary to stretch as much as possible as you apply that to the pallet. One or more time around and we'll switch to the proper application of pre-stretch film. And you're seeing he's roping the film as he goes around. Okay, now we're going to apply pre-stretch. In this instance, you'll notice that when he's applying the film, he'll be walking forward, much safer. And at the same time, you'll notice he's not stretching the film. He's just wrapping. Reason being, the film was already stretched to its maximum and then put back on the core. Film has a memory like a rubber band, albeit not quite as severe. So this film, having been pre-stretched, will, as time goes on, tighten down against the pallet you're wrapping. And again, as you can see, it's not necessary to stretch the film. Now we'll look at the difference, and even though putting on the conventional film, you'll notice how much he's still able to pull that away from the pallet. And as it goes back, there's no integrity left. With the pre-stretch film, you can see it snaps back like a rubber band. The many benefits of using pre-stretch versus conventional include it's more cost-effective, lighter on your employees as they're wrapping pallets, and much more money in your bank account.